This is SB19 Zombie Fest Halloween 2018. This was before pandemic. Hindi pa ako nanonood ng SB19 ito. Okay? It's gonna be the first time that we're gonna watch this Zombie Fest. Okay. Nangyari sa'yo pa.
Stumble through your days, got your head hung low, your sky's a shade of gray, like a zombie in a maze. You're asleep inside, but you can shake awake, 'cause you taste a dead man walking, thinking that's your only option. But you can flip the switch and brighten up your darkest day. Sun is up and the colors blinding, take the world and redefine.
Oh my God. Pero medyo nakatakot ah. Yung vibe, yung music. Damn. Sa tingin ko pwede ang malaki ang sobrang talented ng SB19. I think they can do theater. Parang pwede sila mag-theater, no? Magaling sila kumanta, magaling sila mag-act, dance and sing. Parang ang galing nila mag-interpretative dance. Napaka low budget pa din ito, no? Wala pa silang pera nito eh. Damn, ang angas ah. Okay.
Stumble through your days, got your head hung low, your sky's a shade of gray, like a zombie in a maze. You're asleep
Galing ni
inside,
Pao.
but you can shake awake, 'cause you taste a dead man walking.
Damn!
Option, but you can flip the switch and brighten up your darkest day. Sun is up and the colors blinding, take the world and redefine it. Leave behind your narrow mind, never be the same. Come alive, come alive, come alive.
Oh my God, the transition! He was bitten, then suddenly he is one of them. God damn! Ang ganda nun na. Tsaka ang galing din talaga na sabay sa beat yung galaw nila. Tak! Tak! Dito. Tapos dito tao pa pala siya dito. Tapos may nagka-virus na din siya. Nagka-zombie virus na. God damn.
You're asleep
Ang ganda ng synchronization nila dito.
you
Yo.
can shake awake, 'cause you taste a dead man walking, think that that's your only option.
Damn!
Switch and brighten up your darkest day. Sun is up and the colors blinding, take the world
Ang galing, man! Tapos he got devoured. Tapos transition, oh, zombie na siya. My God! Oh my gosh, Ken! Ang payat pa pati palnourished pa si Ken dito. I mean, all of them payat pa, pero si Ken, gulat ako ngayon ang payat niya dito ah. Oh my gosh! This is a gold. We found gold, guys! What the heck? Oh my God! Parang theatrical talaga. Ba't parang theater?
Burn so bright, reaching up to the sky, and it's open wide, you're electrified. The world becomes a fantasy, and you're more than you could ever be, 'cause you're dreaming with your eyes wide open. And you know you can't go back again to the world that you were living in, 'cause you're dreaming with your eyes wide open.
Sino ang nagulat at hindi nagulat sa hayop na yun? God damn! Akala ko parang ano siya, parang slow song, tapos biglang may ganun. What the heck? Nagulat ako, gagi. Huwag niya kami binibigla ng ganyan, boy. Oh my God!
Burn so bright, reaching up to the sky, and it's
Oh my gosh, that's what I've been thinking. Sabi ko parang The Greatest Snowman. Doon parang showman, The Greatest Snowman. Olaf yarn. Hindi, yun nga, yung kay Hugh Jackman. Yung pala yun. The Greatest Showman. Ito yung time na yun. What the heck? Ang angas.
Reaching up to the sky, and it's open wide. You're electrified. The world becomes a fantasy, and you're more than you could ever be. Cause you're dreaming with your eyes wide open. And you know you can't go back again to the world that you were living in. Cause you're dreaming with your eyes wide open. So come alive.
Oh! Gagi, kinabahan ako doon, hayop na yan. Kinabahan ako, lumapit. Sino yung lumapit? Gagi, nagulat ako doon. Legit, nakakatakot naman si Ja dito. Para si Pennywise, what the heck? Ah, wag.
So come alive.
Yate, si Stel pa. Kinabahan ako, buwisit. Wag ganun. Tapos bigyan ng transition kay Ja. Gagi, ang galing, man. If I have watched this 7 years ago, I would say, masasabi ko ulit, my God, medyo kinilabutan ako doon Masasabi ko ulit yung linya ko na these guys would go places, man. Nung time na to, ganito kagrabe yung synchronization, attention to details, kung gaano ka holistic yung dancing nila, gaano ka grabe yung pitik. Man, ngayon ko lang napanood tong hindi, magko-comment ako dito para kunwari OG ako. OG naman din ako, pero 2020 na kasi ako 2018 to, comment tayo dito. Who's here in the big the big 26. Wala. Angas. SB19 forever. Di ba? Comment natin 'yan. God damn.
Cause you're dreaming with your eyes wide open. So come alive.
Galing. Sinungaling si Pau. Sinungaling, sabi niya hindi siya marunong backflip. He just did. Sino ba to? Si Pau to, 'di ba? Oh my God, man. This is hard. This is freaking hard. Tingnan mo yung synchronization ni Justin tsaka ni Stel dito sa parang parang ballerina nila na style. Ang galing! Ayop na putang. Wait. Chill. Ang galing, man. Damn! Diyos! I'm gonna end this by saying that SB19 is the greatest showman in real life. Cause this is freaking crazy. They did it in 2018. Oh my God. What the hell is this shit? Oh my. The synchronization, the arrangement, kung paano nila sinayaw, yung forma nila, the acting. This is such a low budget video, but god damn, man. Oh my gosh, man. SB19 is really the greatest, bruh. Oh my god. What? Ah. Buisit ka, Pinuno. Hayop ka. Buisit. Gulat ako dun. Hayop! Pinupuri ko na kayo eh. Binabawi ko lahat ng sinabi kong magaganda, binabawi ko. Ha? Binabastos nyo ako sa sarili kong live. Hindi ko matatanggap yan. 2018, nagugulat ako ng ganito. Hindi to maganda. Masakit sa puso eh, oh. Oh, sumisikip. Nasaan na yung McDo? God damn, bruh. Kagi si Pablo, man. Visit. Ano yun? Loko-loko kayo ah. Bruh, I need this SB19. I need this. Visit ka pa, oh. Kinabahan ako dun. Hayop ka. Ang ganda, man. Ang ganda ng storyline. Ang ganda ng pagka-edit. Ang ganda ng lahat. Ang ganda ng idea. Bruh. SB19 is in 2018 is on top tier. Walang kaduda-duda na sobrang talented ng mga taong to. Grabe. Wisit talaga. That's awesome. Damn, man.